Hello everyone, this is Sadat. In this video, I will learn how to calculate the center of gravity of an I section step by step and easy to understand. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the shape. In this section consists of three rectangles. Top flange, it's 40 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters high, and the web 10 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters height, and also bottom flange it's 60 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters height. This is our section dimensions. Now we can go to step 2. Specify the x and y axes of the shape. Now we can draw the x and y axis for easy calculation. So let me that. Yeah, I want to draw the x and y axis. Yeah, just for easy calculation. Now you can write this is x axis and also this is y axis. Now we can go to step 3. In this step, we can divide the shape into parts. Now we can divide the section into three rectangles. So I divided into three parts as colorfully as possible. Let me paste here that I have this divided shape. Yeah, this is divided shape. Number 1, bottom flange. Number 2, web, and number 3 is top flange. Now we can go the step 4. Step 4. In this step, we can calculate the area of each part. Now we can find or calculate the area of bottom flange A1. A1 equal 60 times 10 equal 600 square centimeters, and area of web A2 equal 10 times 30 equal 300 square centimeters. Yeah, and also area of top flange A3 40 different times 10 equal 400 square centimeters. The total area of the section A1 plus A2 plus A3. Now we can write 600 plus 300 plus 400 finally equal to 1300 square centimeters. Yeah, this is general area of this I section. Now we can go to step 5. Step 5. In this step, we can determine the centroid of each part. Now we can write for centroid of bottom flange. Bottom flange x1 equal 60 divided by 2 equal 30 centimeter. It is half of the bottom flange wide from the origin. Our origin point here 0.0. This is half of the bottom flange height. Yeah, from here to here. This is x1. Now can write y1. y1 equal 10 divided by 2 equal 5 centimeters. It is the half of the bottom flange height from the origin. Yeah, this point. Now we can write for web. For web, x2 equals 60 divided by 2 equal 30 centimeters. And also the same equal to x2. Now, and also we can write y2 equal 10 plus 30 divided by 2. It is 25 centimeters. This distance from the origin, 10 centimeter bottom flange height, and also plus half of the web height. Yeah, this is half of the web height. This point. This point x2 and y2. And x2, y2 the centroid of web. Yeah. Now we can write for top flange. X3 equals 60 divided by 2, and also it's 30 centimeters. So it's equal to x1, x2, and x3. Now we can write for y3. y3 10. This is 10 plus 30 plus 10 divided by 2 equal 45 centimeters. This is this distance from the origin 10 centimeters 10 centimeters bottom flange height and 30 centimeters web height, and also half of top flange height. Yeah, this is. Now we can find the centroid of the top flange. This is x3 and y3 point. Yeah, this point, the centroid of the top flange. Now we can continue from step 6. In this step, we can apply the center of gravity formula. Now we can calculate the x bar and y bar. So let me write the x bar formula. X bar. Okay. X bar equal a1 times x1 plus a2 times x2 plus a3 times x3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Now we can write the volume of each parameter here. Sorry. Now a1, we found a1 600 times x1 was 30 centimeters plus a2 was 300 centimeters, 300 times x2 and also 30 centimeters plus a3 was 400 times 30 centimeters divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. It was equal to 1300. 1300. Finally, if we calculate here, we can find x2 x bar 30 centimeters. Yeah, and also we can write y bar formula a1 times y1 plus a2 times y2 plus a3 times y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Now we can write A1 was 600 times Y1 was 5 centimeters. Yeah, 5 centimeters. 5 plus A2 300 times Y2 25 centimeters plus uh, A3 was 400 times Y3 45 divided by 1300. Yeah, if you calculate this part, you can find Y bar 21.93 centimeters. Finally, we found the center of gravity of this I section. X bar is 30 centimeters and Y bar is 21.93 centimeters. This is the center of gravity of this I section. We can show here, like here. This is X bar and Y bar. Thanks for watching. If you found useful this video, please like this video and subscribe to channel.